Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another trade recap. Actually, this is one of my first trade recaps. Please don't mind my hair and me. I just woke up before market opened and didn't have time to get ready, present myself to the camera. Looking chopped right now, but it's all right. The huzz ain't around. So, coming in today, let's go look at the 4 hour here. Let me take this off real quick. So on the 4 hour time frame, we can easily see we're obviously bearish. Well, we were external and then we were internal since 6 p.m. yesterday. If you go into the 1 hour, this is where it really shows. At 8 a.m. we had this absolute filler of this 1 hour gap right here at 2 a.m. And then for some reason at the same time, 9 a.m. open, we come back down and absolutely rip it again for some reason. We don't have any fair value gaps except for this one, but that's all the way down here. We do have this 1 hour fair value gap, which really didn't do anything because, we didn't close underneath it. Actually, it did actually do a lot because we didn't close underneath it, so it did do its job. It did do its job. 15-minute, like I said, we absolutely rip into this 15-minute gap. Yeah, why is this doing all the way over here? This 15-minute gap, and yeah, we just absolutely rip it. And here, let me see if I can go to 5 minute so it can be easier to explain. So where do we see 8:15? We absolutely dump into this. This is the same gap that we were talking about at 8 a.m. We rip it into here, fill this gap. We come back down up into this high right here. This 30-minute gap, actually, this 30-minute bearish fair value gap. And then this is 9:05. This is about the time I woke up. Still not on my computer though. We can see it's under 200 EMA. It's rejecting it. And if we share our screen with the S&P, it's loading, guys. Just a sec. We can see. It's the same deal here. This was even more of a confirmation that it's bearish. Market open. Let's go to market open. So coming in today, I was bearish, but then after some things that I saw, what the market was doing, I was like, okay, I immediately switched to bullish. The only reason why I switched to bullish was this. So market open, we have obviously accumulation, and then we extended down, and I was hoping we could actually sweep these lows and then continue up. That didn't happen, but on S&P, we did actually sweep these lows on S&P, and we did reverse off of this. What does that tell me? A bullish S&P for S&P 500. We obviously did exactly that. Since the MNQ did not want to sweep those lows, it didn't want to go lower, pretty much. We did inverse this 2-minute bearish fair value gap, but then immediately we re-inversed it. Like what? And then we inversed it here. You can see right here. This is when we swept these lows right here. I waited for confirmation. And then we waited until this 2-minute candle or this 1-minute candle closed above this inverse candle that I originally inversed, and I put an order there. You can see I bought 6 contracts worth of MNQ for a risk to reward of 2.0, just 2. Our R to R is 2. Put my stop loss here. I didn't want to overextend my stop loss. I don't want to have a 105 pip or 105 point stop loss. I just like $1,000 gone. I did not like it. So I mean, that liquidity sweep, pretty much the SMT bullish SMT. I mean, that pretty much changed the game. I did want. I mean, the one thing I'm looking for a bullish or a bear, specifically for bullish, I want the market to open lower, sweep out any previous lows that it can honestly sweep out easily, and then I want it to reverse from there, because just straight off rip, um, just going up straight off rip is kind of like iffy, because like, what are you going off of? I mean, we need some other confirmation. So that's what I did. I waited for MNQ to get swept, or for S&P to get swept, these lows right here, and I just honestly waited. I really wanted to enter this trade right here for some reason, because I knew it was just gonna go down towards these lows. I didn't know if it was gonna sweep it. It didn't. But I knew it was going to go down to these lows right here, and then eventually do something with it. I mean, but that's pretty much it, man. I mean, I thought it's a pretty good trade today. Damn it, I was going to enter again, but probably shouldn't have. Probably shouldn't. Probably going to enter off this shit again, because I need to pass this fucking account. Like, I was gonna pass it today, but I wasn't quick enough. The market was absolutely ripping into my TP. At first, I had my TP at this 30-minute bearish fair value gap, this high right here. But then I was like, damn, I should have put it. Originally, I was gonna put it up here, but I mean, I want to take my piece of the pie. I didn't want to overextend myself and risk actually reversing the position, and just hitting my stop loss. I mean, literally 1 minute in, I was already up. I was down like $350 down here. I didn't have my stop loss, and I was freaking out because for some reason my stop loss wasn't working. And so, I mean, I just had the confidence that, the intuition and confidence that it was going to go up because of that liquidity sweep and other confirmation. So, I mean, I stuck with it. If I did go above like 450 negative, I would have stopped it out, but thankfully I didn't. So I need to make sure whenever I do enter a trade, I know exactly where my stop loss and where my TP is going to be. For some reason, I just forget and to put my stop loss beforehand. But yeah. Really good trade overall. You can tell. Let's see, is that on? Yeah, so I entered the trade 1 minute, 2 minutes, and then literally 3 minutes. The entire trade took 3 minutes, and it absolutely ripped. It was a 129 pip trade. Absolutely crazy. Oh, geez. I actually had on TradingView on my phone. I wanted to try something else, and yeah, I'm definitely in fucking hell right now. Yeah. So I had a sell order on the 30-minute line right there, 30-minute bearish fair value gap, because I mean that's why I was originally bearish. I thought I was gonna go up, sweep that 30-minute bearish fair value gap and continue down, but it didn't. The market actually opened lower, and then S&P 500 swept those previous lows, and we continued back up. So that's basically what happened, man. I need to be careful about what I'm actually doing, because I mean not yesterday, like a couple days, my last video, I did lose $640, and that really does fuck up your mental, like for real. Absolutely messes up with your mental, and it really prevents you from wanting to place a trade because you just don't want to lose the money. But if you just stick to your rules, like you just stick to your strategy, I mean, if your strategy works, I mean, it's gonna work. It's gonna work. And that's basically what happened here. I just waited for the exact moment. I mean, of course, I did get that FOMO at the beginning. Like I wanted to enter the trade, but it waited for the exact moment where the S&P swept those lows. MNQ did not. We got a clean move up, and I entered. So I say this is textbook B plus trade, A plus trade, even. But yeah, I mean, if you guys enjoyed this video, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys want to see more videos like this, make sure you like and subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it if you guys did. And oh my gosh, I just looked at myself again. Jeez. All right. Anyways, guys, that's gonna be it for this video. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. Peace.